I was gifted this automatic tape and ribbon dispenser, and let's go ahead and show you what was inside the box, how to use it, and my honest opinion. So the first thing we have inside is the instruction manual. Next we have our power cord, and we have our tape and ribbon dispenser. So here it is right out of the box. It comes in this really pretty purple color. We've got our control panel here, power button right here. This is where we're going to plug in our power. Look at the bottom. You're going to see a few essential things you're going to need. Here you've got your blade oil, so you can oil up the machine. That goes in here. Here you've got your tweezers. It's kind of discreet, but they go in right here. Assistant stand if you need. And you've got this separator right here. This is in case you're going to use two different tapes, so that you would separate the tapes. Just click it back on. And here we have the release lever. So the power cord, my husband measured it, is 4'11". It's just an inch off from being 5 foot. So this is nice. You can reach this from the floor to the table. I got a power outlet right behind me. Press the button in the back. And it's made that noise, indicating it's turned on. So once you've got your machine plugged in, you don't want to turn it on until you have your tape inserted. Now to insert the tape, you're basically going to lift this lever right here. You're going to push the lever on the side and lift this up. Then you're going to take whatever tape you want to use or ribbon, and you're going to feed it inside these two teeths, like this. Once you've got it in there, you're just going to close this, then turn on the machine, click that forward button so that the tape pulls forward. There you go. This is the length. This is in millimeters. So for 25 millimeters, that will be 1 inch of tape. You can decrease it or increase it. It goes from 5 millimeters up to 99 millimeters. You have an automatic and manual option. Let's go ahead and demonstrate what I mean by that. So once you click start, it'll cut you a perfectly clean and nice piece of tape. And from there forward, every time you click the start, it'll cut you a piece of tape. Here I've got 25 millimeters. This is an inch of tape. And every time I'll be clicking, it'll give me an inch. Now if you want an automatic, let's say you're shipping something or doing a craft and you don't want to click the button every time, you just would click auto. And then once you click start, you'll get that tape. And every time you pull it off, you'll get another tape automatically. This speeds up the process of whatever you're doing. Now, when you're done using this roll of tape and you want to replace it, whether with a different tape or ribbon, you're going to click the reverse, and then your tape will come off. As you can see, I'm clicking the forward. There's no more tape in there. Let's go ahead and replace it with a clear tape and show you it again. Forward. There we got our tape. Start to cut it off. If it's on auto, it gives you more tape every time. And like I said, you can increase that number. Let's say we want 2 inches of tape. Now we got 2 inches of tape. In conclusion, I would highly recommend this tape and ribbon dispenser. It's really great for someone who needs ribbon and tape regularly, whether you're doing at-home shipping or just crafting on a regular basis. This is really nice because it cuts the tape really fast, easy, and clean. You don't need scissors. You don't need to tear the tape. You just got this and you're set. It's a nice size. It saves you desktop space and just speeds up the process of whatever you're doing. In conclusion, I would highly recommend it.